EU to Israel, stop the invasion, warning. European Council on Foreign Relations. The EU-Israel will implement financial repression by Tel Aviv management of non-discrimination between the action and the occupied Palestinian territories, he urged. EU countries, the conflict between Israel and Palestine, on Israel comprehensive and towards a just solution, requests lately increases. In a report to the European Council on Foreign Relations is published, the EU has been reviewing calls for its relations with Israel. The report, Tel Aviv administration in the occupied West Bank and in East Jerusalem, stated that settlements should stop the construction. It comes at the beginning of the institution's targeted Israeli bank. The EU bilateral relations with Israeli settlement activities carried out by the report cited the need to keep separate. It will not be sufficient. It is stated that the Union must do more.